Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Jess, but today we're actually gonna do an update to my Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette. I purchased a Mini Pochette about a year ago, and I just wanted to come on and give an update because it's a fairly big purchase for a lot of people. I know it was for me. It's not a big purchase for everybody, but for me it was. So for those of you that are interested in how I still feel about it, if I would buy it again, how I use it, if it's the same way I used it before, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so the way I have been using the Mini Pochette is just kind of like as an insert inside of whatever purse it is I'm using currently. So as you can see, it's inside of my purse, and I basically thought that this would be how I would use it because at the time I was using the baby bag a lot, and I wanted something I could keep my things in, and then if I needed to use a purse, like later on if I was going out like without the girls, I could just use the Mini Pochette by itself, or I could put it inside of another purse. So yeah, that's how I use it. I love using it that way. It's really easy and really simple. I don't have to worry about forgetting like essential things. So yeah, just in case you haven't seen the other video of when I went through like what all is inside, it's pretty much the same stuff inside of here, but it's like my card holder that has all the cards and my ID, and then there's like a little bit of random stuff in here. There's mini perfume, like a card thingy for the nail shop, trash, some random coins, and the key fob. So as you can see, it's actually held up really well. I don't know that there are any scratches or anything on here. I don't really see any wear and tear, to be honest. And it's been, I think a year, or maybe a little bit over a year. I don't keep like any pins or anything in the inside. The inside is like perfect. There's like nothing in here really. So it's held up amazing. So I mean, I love it. I would hands down recommend it. I know Louis Vuitton prices have gone up multiple times since I purchased mine. So honestly, I don't even know what the price is right now. So I can't say if I would buy it again because I don't know what exactly it is, but I would do the entire situation again. Like last year, this time last year, I would buy it again. I honestly, to be honest, yes, I would. I would buy another one. I would buy another one. Now I don't have any use for another one, so I'm not going to, but it's a very useful piece, and this is just how I use it. I know everybody doesn't use it this way. You know, some people put their toiletries in here. Some people use this as like their literal wallet, so they'll throw like coins and cash and cards like literally in here, like if you're using a bigger type purse. But you know, the way I use it works for me, and I love it. Now, how you can also use this, which how I was using it like before I went back to work, and I just was either out with the kids or out by myself, I would attach a crossbody strap to it, and it looks super cute like that. Now right now I have a crossbody purse, like, you know, the whole purse is crossbody, but that works really well too. Now the question is, would I buy it again? And the answer is yes. For somebody that's not like really into purses, or maybe not into like a specific brand in particular, for whatever reason, you might not think it's worth it, but I have wanted a Louis Vuitton piece for a long time, like a long time. So to me, it is worth it. And I use it literally every single day. So when you look at stuff like that, which in some cases, I feel like it is appropriate to look at things that you use all the time and every day, like as from a cost per wear aspect, because who wants to buy something like once a year for it to fall apart once a year? Like, that's not, nobody wants to do that. I know I don't want to do that. So this particular piece, I think, is just so versatile. And like I said, I've used it over a year. There's no wear and tear. I really didn't even examine it before this, but like, I mean, I'm even looking at the zipper. Like, I'm not gonna say there's nothing on the zipper, but like, I mean, to say I pull this open and close multiple times a day, it's not really tarnished. I don't see any scratches, guys. I really don't. The stitching still looks great. I mean, there's nothing. Honestly, there's nothing, or very little, so little that I cannot even find anything significant. So it is my personal opinion that this is very much worth it. Now, you know, I can't tell you how to spend your money. And I know for some of us, luxury pieces, or what we consider, you know, this would most definitely be considered a luxury piece for some people, for a lot of people. And I'm not gonna sit here and say like just willy-nilly throw your money at it, because as I said, I'm turning 35 this year, and I just got this last year. Okay, so for some of us, these things might take a little bit longer time to acquire, and sometimes you just want to know someone's opinion, like if it's truly like actually worth it. And I really would say so if you're into this kind of stuff. Now, can you find something similar to this from some other brand? Yeah, sure, you can. But if you really like this particular brand, or any particular brand, mentally, like, you just want that. And I think that that's okay. So yeah, that's my opinion. If you're on the fence thinking about this, here I am a year later telling you, yes, it very much is still worth it. Yes, go with your gut. If you can afford it, get it, buy it, and then you will have it literally for a long time. Again, over a year, absolutely nothing significant, really nothing at all. But I'm not gonna sit here and say there's, you know, there might not be anything teeny tiny on here, but I can't find anything on this thing. And I babied it for maybe like a month or two, but after that I didn't baby it, because I'm like, you know what, I mean, it's supposed to last, and it's supposed to be able to hold up, and that's how I treated it. So, you know, there's keys that sometimes get scratched up against it, sometimes pins, so it hasn't been babied, and it looks great, and it's held up well. So I would recommend it. So actually, I wanted to show you the chain that I got from Organize My Bag, and that will turn your mini pochette and any other little mini bag or anything like pouch or anything into a crossbody bag. And it's super cute, and it's super easy. I think this costs about $25, something like that. And if you want a little bit of a discount, I have like a code that you can use. It is affiliate link, so I get like a little portion, like a referral fee. But it is so cute. You can see, very shiny, and the color matches the color on the bag really well, like if you can see that. So it matches pretty decently. But I'll show you how to attach it. You basically just clip it on one side, and then clip it on the other side. And then there's your crossbody bag. And it is super cute. Look at that. Super cute. I haven't worn it like this in a while, but I forget how much I actually like it. It's so cute. So obviously there's no room for your phone in here. So you do have to put your phone like in your pocket, but that's usually not a problem. I typically will have something on that has pockets. Anyway, so yeah. Anyway, thanks for stopping by my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video, and I'll see you guys in a later one. Bye.